Huzur, lots of ladies ask me why or am I obliged to wear black clothes? And I would like to know why in Islam...
You are not obliged to wear black clothes.
No.
No.
Why in Islamic world most of the lady wears black?
I don't know, ask them. They're not obliged to wear black clothes, but by custom. And also I think the black appears beautiful upon people with fair skins. So it doesn't particularly apply to ladies, it also applies to men. So maybe some people have their special liking for a black, and that is the reason why they wear the black. But in Islam it is not mentioned at all that it is essential.
During Hajj I noticed too that most of the ladies are or in black or in white. And why there is a hadith who said that the white clothes, your white clothes are the best of all.
Why I have seen the ladies mostly wearing black or white. And also
During Hajj.
Yes. And also it is mentioned in one hadith that the white clothes are the best. White.
I don't know which hadith you are referring to. Please? The white clothes are specially recommended during Hajj, not during other ordinary wear. So maybe you are confusing some hadith with this. During Hajj, all men and women are required to wear white and not black. So do you see women dressed in black during Hajj? No?
Dressed in white.
They're always dressed in white. Right? Thank you.
Jazakallah.